Hello, teacher. My name is Felipe Almora. I am 29 years old. I am from Marengue, Colombia. I live with my two brothers in Soledad. I am administrative assistant and I study industrial engineering. My hobby is read to book. My favorite TV show is The Vikings and my favorite sport is swimming. This is my family. Presentation of my family. I have a large family. I have 6 brothers and 1 sister. My brother, sister, and my parents. My brothers. Jesus Rangel is 29 years old. He is from Mangue. He lives in Cartagena where he is studying financial administration and works. My brother Emmanuel Rangel is 25 years old. Her favorite sport is play soccer and to listen to music. He is from Mangue and lives in Soledad with my younger brother and me. My brother Miguel Rangel is 22 years old. And her favorite hobby is watch TV. He lives in Soledad where he is studying industrial engineering. My brother Jorge Rangel is 19 years old. He is live in Mangue with my parents and he likes play baseball. My brother Luis Rangel is 14 years old. He likes play soccer and he wants to play soccer professional. My sister Cristina Rangel is 18 years old. She is her wife. She is from Mangue. She lives in the municipal Buenavista with your husband and your son. He is 1 year old. My parents. My father is Felipe Rangel. He is 64 years old. He is a merchandise selling and buying dry corn. He is from Pinillo Bolivar. He is live in Magangue 4 years ago. My mother is Emma Mora. She is 56 years old. She is half wife. Thank you.